Hello everybody. Let's go for another AutoCAD practice, and today I'm going to show you how to draw this one in AutoCAD. So let's begin. At first delete this one. Okay. Now at first select line and draw vertical line, and the length will be 3 mm. Now horizontal line, the length will be 0.8 mm. And another vertical line, the length will be 0.5 mm. Okay. Now select these two lines. Now click on mirror and mirror this one, enter. Okay, now switch on polar tracking and go to settings. Now delete the current one. Now click on new, and here we need -30°. Okay, now select a line, and we need a line that will make -30° with the horizontal, and the length will be 2.5 mm. Okay, now select line again and horizontal line, the length will be 4 mm. Switch on ortho, and vertical line, the length will be 1.5 mm. Okay, now select these two and click on mirror again, and again mirror this part, enter. Okay, now we need arc, so select start in radius arc. Now just click here and click here. Okay, again select this one. Okay, the radius will be 2 mm. Sorry, not from this position actually. Select arc, starting radius arc, and from this point to this point, actually the radius will be 2 mm. Now we need another arc from this point to this end point. So from this end point, this vertex point, the length will be, sorry, the radius will be 10 mm. Now last arc from this end point to that end point, the radius will be 0.75 mm. Okay, now select this arc and click on mirror. Now mirror this one, enter. So drawing is complete. So one thing is left, that is dimension. So just put the dimensions. Select this one, linear, from this point this end point 3 mm. Repeat dimension. Okay, and from here enter. 4 mm. Enter to repeat the previous command. Okay, 0.8 mm. Enter. 4 mm. Enter. 1.5 mm. Now aligned. So this is 2.5 mm. Okay, now we need radius. So it is 2 mm. Enter. This one is 10 mm. Enter. 0.75 mm. Okay, and just one dimension left, and that is angular. Now from this line, the angle is 60 degree. Okay, now our drawing is complete, and hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.